People, Michael Jackson is back.
The worst feeling when all us tumble down and yo.
Me I say me get a new way to make the people them. You don't have to force them to get no vaccine.
Vaccine from May of 10.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, me, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Jeannie's Prego. My word, my sentence, my Google stew peas. Oh my God, I am so elated at this news. I cannot believe that Jeannie Mai is now, on her way to be a mother at 40 years old. Now, if you are fans of the real just like me, you want to know the little song, this is our time. Grab a again. Jeannie has always maintained that she does not want to have kids. She does not feel it is something for her, and she was always straight up with that in her relationships.
My husband and I have been married for 7 years, and when we got married, at first, we didn't want kids. Okay. We talked about it, and we were like, you know what, we have a nice life, it's fun.
So on the air that, so now you fast forward to 2021, where she is now 40, married to rapper Jeezy, where he has 2 kids, and at this point in time, Jeannie's like, yeah man, I'm all ready for the breedings. Oh my God, why was I so vulgar?
I am pregnant! Craziest moment ever. Yeah, you're going to have your reveal moment.
So all I'm gonna say is congratulations, Jeannie. I just still can't believe you see when you come out of one bad situation in a one healthy relationship, the type of fruits that can bear and the type of new ideas and the new things that you will be willing to allow into your life. Congratulations, Jeannie, and I hope you have a safe, delivery and all of these things. Let me know what you think about this. Are you as happy for Jeannie as I am? Sound off below. Number 8, JPS raise my light bill. Oh wow. So you know what? I never know. Listen. This is not. I'm kind of tired of life right about now. Because too much stress. Everything I raise. I got a supermarket. Things are raised. So gas price are raised. Everything is raising right now, and I can't believe the little light bill, the little Wi-Fi, the little TV time, the little internet time. Everything is going to just come in from a package right about now. So let me just read you what the JPS said, because once OUR give them the green light. So according to the Jamaica Observer, it says electricity rates are going up by an average of 1.4% as the OURJA has approved a new rate schedule for JPS, Jamaica's Light and Power Company.
What is?
So right about now, we just have to accept the light bill go up. Bus fare don't go up already. I do not know what else is going to go up. All our weight go up.
No ma'am.
But as I say, when they make something here happen, we can't just go back to how we didn't know it. So if you have your little what you call it, the little long time lamp them, take it out. And for those of you who don't have a lamp, there is nothing wrong with going back to basics. Because I'm about to do that right now. If you must think, so me I go come stress out myself right now. Okay, I go right back to basics. Because me used to little life with grandma down a country. So carry your candle. If you don't want to pay JPS.
Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Like...
honestly, we don't have no sense. But anyway, Burritos, what do you think about the electricity increase? Are you here for... I don't even think nobody is going to say that they are really here for it. Like, how you feel about it? One word, but I forgot to say to JPS right now. Sound off below. Number 8, Bieber in Jamaica. What you not saying? Alright, so let me just tell you this. Justin Bieber and his wife, Haley, visited the island recently, but guess what? It was not them alone. They actually came here on a double date with, why was I forget this Jenner? Jesus Christ. Not Kylie, with Kendall Jenner and her boyfriend. I mean, I tell people, you can see that they were at Blue Hole and they enjoyed little festivities. And according to what I'm hearing, is that both couples came here for a 3-day stay. They left straight from New York to head to Jamaica, so they could have some little downtime. And you can see them, they went to the Blue Hole. and they were taking pictures, they went rafting, so it seems as if a good time was had. But boy, about right now, me have to say everybody a brav and enjoy for them life in Jamaica except the actual Jamaicans. Ah, gosh. Number 7, Bolt and Shacarri. Me track and feel. Alright, so let me just jump into this entire thing. Boy, oh boy, I've been really trying to avoid Shacarri news because I try for just root for the girl. I try to find the little glimpse of hope so I can give her a little clap and not just think all kind of, you know, wicked things about the girl. But she'll make it very hard. So let me just tell you, recently Usain Bolt was in an interview and he was actually asked, like, does he have any thoughts or advice to give Sha'carri? And this is what he said.
What advice would you give for her?
Just train hard, you know what I mean? Just train hard and be focused and not say too much, you know what I mean? Just focus on getting ready, you know what I mean? If you talk the big talk, you gotta back it up. So just train hard, focus on that and try to get back. Maybe do it and then talk about it.
So yes, it seems as if Shacarri never really appreciated those sentiments shared by the legend Usain Bolt, and she decided to take to Instagram to reshare a post made by a fan. And this is what it said. It said, everybody wants to give advice in the media, but none of them actually take the time to speak to her outside the media. So I feel her. Stop speaking on me when you don't even speak to me. Then Shacarri added, good humbling morning to y'all. I could not have said it better. At this point, I don't know if it's about Shacarri. Like, you have to just wish the little 21-year-old girl the best in her life. She has to do what she has to do. I still maintain that Shacarri has a story because Shacarri seems as if she's probably broken and we do not know how rough her past is. So right now, make sure you go on that little antics them because time will be the master, time will be the humbler, and time will be the healer for this young lady. That's all I have to say right about now. Big up yourself, Usain Bolt. She should have paid next time for coming. Even you go look on her and give her them words of wisdom there. What you have to say, readers? Sound off below. Number 6, Ghetto Michael Jackson returns. Alright, you know what? I've been featuring Ghetto Michael Jackson recently in the countdown because it seems as if he has a new manager, him a revamping image. He is doing less of the Michael Jackson antics and now I guess he is going along the lines of a 876 type of comedian, dancer, I don't know. But just look at what he has been posting lately and then we can sound off.
People, Michael Jackson is back. Me not dead. Hee-hoo. Follow the new page. Right now.
Okay, some say, alright, then the man is back at it again, and then I even stumbled upon this video on Instagram with him dancing alongside Cuz. Okay, so I guess it is safe to say that he is going along like the dancing type of influencer line. I guess, you know, everybody are pivoting at 2021, so we can't wrong him. But what you have to say about this new move by Ghetto Michael Jackson? Are you here for it? Will you support him just as much as you did with the Michael Jackson character? Sound off below. Number 5, boss, hairdresser. My word, my sentence, my setters. Alright, so I saw this video on Twitter and trust me people, I was just like, wait, what? I did not expect the video to turn out as how it did. Take a look. Oh wow, me not gonna lie, the brother, he did me never even know too much about hearing about that look like how the girl them go out and get them little things done. That thing looked laid. It looked like it do good. Like, me no know, una can comment, cause you know the woman them can look through and zoom in and tell whenever glue down properly. So una can comment down below and say if the brother did a good job. But so far, based on the comments, a lot of persons liked what he did. But do a bit of research, found out that the brother, his name is Jordan, and his Instagram page is Jordan Hairstyles. And where you can go and book him for the hair. So support this brother here because everybody have to do them thing in 2021, you know. A pandemic with inner safe, this youth is doing him hustling, making a decent living for himself, for put a little money in his pocket. Please to go out and support the brother. Very does. Alright. Number 4, Kitty says, meow. Alright. right, so the Fluffy Diva herself returned to Miss Kitty live recently on Nationwide 90 FM, you know, and she basically confirmed what many people were speculating, that she actually, you know, contracted the COVID virus, and she spoke about it in detail, how devastating it was. Take a listen.
But it was a harrowing experience that I do not wish on my worst enemy. It is very real. It is no joke. It is not to be played with.
Yeah man. She actually broke down in tears, and me, I tell you, I was watching and it definitely moved me, and I hope that her story resonated with a lot of persons. So she even went on and had this viral video where she was saying that she doesn't have any time for people who are anti-vaxxers right now.
Me not have no time for beat up my good chest and my good lungs for no anti-vaxxer. Let me just say that. Let me just put that out there right now. Money and bleach and tattoo from neck to ankle, and the man they wanna have and the client they wanna have. Yes, and the nana and the cha-cha and the nibble skibble that are killing faster than the vaccine.
I co-sign exactly what she says, because listen, you can't pretty every little conversation. Sometimes you have to drape people, you have to hold them by their neck so them can understand the levels of what you're trying to get to them. So Burritos, let me know what you think about Miss Kitty's return. I'm sure you're as happy as I am for her, but also, did you think that her words would, you know, help to bring about change or convince persons to actually go out and get the vaccine? Sound off below. Number 3, vaccine face-off. Me Jackie Chan. Alright, so let me tell you this, like, I rarely lie. I often watch news, and on this day, I was very happy that I was actually glued in to the news to go and hear this entire back and forth happening. So this woman, no. I have nothing to say, no. I have nothing to say, just watch.
Explain to this meeting, this committee meeting, why haven't you taken the vaccine as yet? Could you just explain to us? Because it is hard for you to be sitting there and talking about vaccine, and you have not been vaccinated. I've been vaccinated from May. From May, I've taken my vaccine. And now it's September. Just explain to us the reason why you refuse to take the vaccine.
If that does not get bite of the week, I do not know what else can be more deserving. That deserves to get bite of the week for about this week and the rest of September, as a matter of fact. That moment was just like crazy caught on camera. I appreciated that woman's passion, and you really have to go and hold your leaders responsible. You have to take them to task on matters like this. And so I really support her doing this. But let me know, Burritos, did you actually catch this live? Sound off below. Number 2, vaccine recommendation. Miss suggestion. Alright, so you know, let me tell you this. You see, many people are just like up in arms because I think less than 10% of the population is currently vaccinated, and people are trying to, you know, decipher like what kind of things, what kind of tactics you can try to get more Jamaicans to actually go and take the vaccine. And so, you know, in America, people all give a gun, people all give all kind of extra brata, coupons, pizza, all kind of things just to convince Americans to go and be a part of the inoculation process. So you have to get with Jamaicans. You have to get very creative. You have to get very, you have to think of some different things. And this brother right now, I think, is on to something, and I really hope that the powers that be listen to him. Here is this man's suggestion.
Yo, man, in Andrew Wellness, I mean the Sprinter and Martin. We have a little suggestion. We have to say right now. We have to say, boy, right now, last night, them man at their one party. Never go steal Andrew. But never go Andrew, but you may say Andrew. Me I say me get a new way to make the people them. You don't have to force them to get no vaccination. Them party every night. Just anytime you know in a party there, you just hold everybody in a party. And when them feel like say a prison them a go, no. Now prison them Andrew. We are carry them for a vaccination site in a night. Same time. And we are juke them. And we are juke them with beer Johnson & Johnson. Because we hard to catch them back. So we are going to juke them with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So who get vaccinated already, we are going to charge them. Yeah man, and me and Martin there, man, and Prento, we are organize it from what they Andrew. And here we are going to go on. Them two man at the party one night and them not get juke yet. Andrew, look for my hand. Me get my juke them and me have my card for sure, but give me a card still, my number 3.
What me tell you people? Can somebody give this man an order of this distinction? He deserves an award right now. I feel like the Prime Minister need to listen to him. Bring him in a garden house, make him talk to the public and see how him can help to just bring things together. Because I think this is on. This is how you show your choices have consequences. Berrydos, fun and joke aside, like, what do you actually think of his suggestion? Sound off below. And number 1 goes to... birthday surprise! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to birthday surprise. Now, this has to be one of the rare feel-good moments in the social media countdown, but I'm just so happy to talk about it. I'm hoping to enjoy it. So let me just tell you this now. You know, so Jamaica, sometimes you have some little random moments in your life where all kind of people just message your phone, and you have to just... Oh, God. Oh God, Jesus Christ, I'm going to start a while ago and bite my tongue. Oh Lord, can I have a moment, please? So you know, sometimes you just relax. You have your phone and a random number will message you and you have to figure out how you're going to deal with it. Do you block the person? Do you actually have a conversation? But this took it a step further. So let me just read this Twitter post. Her name is Young Shensi and she made this tweet that said, "Did I ever tell you guys how for my birthday last year, my fam made a WhatsApp group for my friends to send videos telling me happy birthday, and a random man accidentally got added but sent a video anyways." So right there and then I'm just like, what you mean? Your family create a WhatsApp group and this man who is not a part of your family, not a part of your circle, somehow get added to the group and he actually sent in a video. Right there and then my curiosity just peaked. I had to hear what this brother could actually say.
Hey Kiers, happy birthday. I was added to this group to tell you happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day when it comes and you're 25. Good to see 25. I hope you enjoy it very, very much with yourself and your family. Happy birthday once more. Bye.
Oh my God. 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 Do you see tears? Oh my God. Oh my God. I was just that. Oh my God. That. Oh my God. 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 That was sweet. That was really sweet. That was really sweet. Like he didn't have to do that. This Jenna, this Tug, this Linky, this Doobs, this Batman forward, Batman pull up, this Quanger, this banga. Like he took time out of his day to give this girl a heartfelt birthday message. You know, with all the crime that goes on here, we really have some thoughtful people here. I need a moment. Yes, Berrydos, like that is exactly what this brother said to her, and I'm so happy that she followed up with the story. She actually said that she somehow got contact with the young man after this video was posted, and he reached out to her and you know, sent his well wishes, and you know, they had that moment to just bond. But like, I'm not gonna lie, like this is definitely a great feel good moment. Now, Berrydos, the question that I have for you, if you did end up in a situation where somebody did actually add you to a group like this, a birthday group like this, would you have actually responded? Or you'd just like block it and ignore the people then? I'd love to hear from you. Sound off below. Okay, well, that is it, Berrydos. We've come to the end of this social media top 10 countdown. If you did enjoy it, please to hit the thumbs up button, you know, like up the video, as well as to turn on your post notifications. Do not forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Also, you must know I'm still trying to head towards your 300,000 subscriber count. So subscribe to the video, man. Subscribe to the video, and once you've done so, you know, if you actually want to fasten my business a little bit more, you can go and follow me on social media at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, to shoot me an email right here. All right, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.